First thing you want to do in a massive Dutch oven pot, which I don't think I have, it's pretty big, but anyway, you want to add in about 12 cups of vegetable broth. Now the recipe also calls for 3 bay leaves. Mine are really small, so I'm adding in 5. Once this comes to a boil, we're going to add in our cabbage. I'm using red cabbage. You know, it's gonna enhance the color, and it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna let all of that come to another boil. Once it begins to boil, then you're gonna cover it, lower the heat, and let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes. All right, so the cabbage and the broth and the bay leaves are going. That's gonna go, like I said, for about 20 minutes. Now, all I have to do, because I've already prepped some of the other ingredients, I've got my shredded carrots here and my shredded beets. There's a lot. And I've also got my chopped up onions. They're all set to go, but I want to prepare the potatoes. So I'm gonna cut these into small chunks, bite-sized chunks, and then set these aside. Then we're gonna go back to the stove because we're not done. There's still lots more to do. Oh, and I didn't even say, I've already washed these, obviously, but I'm leaving the skin on. Nice little bit of texture, you know? You don't have to. You can totally take the skin off if you want, peel them. It's up to you. All right, we're back over to the stove. So now it is time, like I said, we're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. And to that, once it heats up, we're gonna add in our onions. While we're at it, we're also gonna add in our carrots. So we're gonna give the carrots and the onions about 5 minutes to saute. Then we're gonna add in the beets and saute it again with an additional tablespoon of olive oil for about another 4 to 5 minutes. 20 minutes are up, and it is now time to add in our onions, beets, and carrots. To that, we're also gonna add in our potatoes, tomato paste, and some salt. And once everything is in the pot and it begins to boil, then you can turn the heat down, cover it, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I know what you're thinking. The level was not that low when we last looked, Andre. I transferred some of it to another pot because clearly you saw it was about to overflow, so we're not having that today. Time's up. So now we're gonna add in our white vinegar, just a pinch of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar for this one, 3 cloves of garlic, and black pepper to taste. As we're adding all of these, we're going to turn off the heat and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna add in the dill, mix it in, and it's ready to go. I love the flavor. This is so good.